Hi everyone and welcome to Simply Pennies. I'm Kat. Let's take a walk around the penny. A big winner today was the gold exploration company ALTO Group Holdings, symbol ALTO. A press release this morning stated that they just concluded negotiations to acquire a rock crushing plant. And it seems to have added a bid to the stock price today. With mining and resources stocks moving, traders jumped into the trade. ALTO opened at 0.062 cents a share and rallied nearly 9% on a volume over 68 million. The stock hasn't had a breakout like this in a long time, and traders really got into the act today. Zapata Resources, symbol SAEI, is definitely the loser of the day. SAEI, a gold exploration company, was a big topic on our Monday and Thursday shows last week. The company held an investors conference call earlier in the day, and it looks like the traders made it a sell the news event. The stock has been up over 10,000% since mid-October, and a correction was certainly in order. The stock opened at 34 cents and fell over 54% on a volume of almost 13 million. Its high today was at 0.395 and its low was 0.192. It's gonna be interesting to see how this all plays out in the coming days, and we'll be all over it. Chatters were all about GBOED, symbol GBOED, which opened at a little over 8 cents and at the end of the day stayed flat on a volume of 68 million. The company is in the oil and gas services and energy industry. On December 1st, a press release announced the extension of a purchase agreement with a Colorado construction company. The news didn't help the stock then, and it certainly didn't help it out again today. It hit a high of 10 cents and at one point had a low of 0.005, but ended with a price of 0.065. In happier news, Dutch Gold Resources, symbol DGRI, opened at almost 2 cents today and rallied nearly 75% on a volume of 39 million. This is a pretty volatile stock. Its highest price in February was at over 20 cents. And its lowest price was in August at 0.0025. No news as to why the stock is rising beyond the sector rotation in the resources arena. But like always, caution ahead, traders. And speaking of getting high, our quote of the day comes from Killa Chinchilla, who said, "I need to learn to stop smoking pot before I make any big stock purchases. I've lost my ass more times than I can count." Thanks for the important lesson, Killa, and I'm curious, are you using the medicinal herbs? Here's some BS for you. Independence Bank shares, symbol IEBS, that's bank with a C, had an outstanding rally of 254% on a volume of only 500. Whoever bought those 500 shares of this national commercial bank sector company is a lucky SOB. TOPZ Resources, symbol TOPZ, was pumped repeatedly throughout the newsletter circuit today. This independent oil and gas company got rave reviews, but it opened at just under 4 cents and fell 0.28%. Nice try, pumpers, but no dice. The stock has a volume of 6 million and had a high of 0.0394 and a low of 0.035. It closed the day out at 0.036. Another popular hyped newsletter stock was Green Endeavor, symbol GRNE, a holding company with operations in health and beauty. The pumpers predicted another big rally for this stock, but all it did was fall 33% on a volume of just over 13 million. The company hasn't had any big news to report since March, when it hit its year-long high of 10 cents. Since the writers of these newsletters were so painfully wrong in their stock choices today, we're giving them all their own BS trophy. Enjoy it, suckers! Well, that does it for us today. I hope you're enjoying our show, and make sure you check out our revamped website. We've got a lot of content there, and I hope that you make Simply Pennies your trusted source for penny stock information and news. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again tomorrow. I'm Kat. Have a good night. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you. I'm sorry, was that loud? Thanks. Really? What happened? Did something break? And they're out. Oh my god, that was like a scene. Wow.